Alright, my last video you guys saw my little aquarium here, and I do have a heater, and this heater is working and it's cold in here, so I'm gonna have to raise it up a little higher. And if you can see my little heater, it's not doing a good job, so I got another heater that's compatible with this gallon, 6 gallons or higher. It goes up to 10 gallons on the other one, and it's this heater that we're gonna put in here. We're gonna set it up to maybe to 72 73 degrees, you know, because it's a little cold and it gets a little chilly. I lost a couple fishes because of the cold. Right now it's pretty warm in here, but it's getting cold. If you guys can see it, it's getting really cold. I gotta raise the temperature, and I tried to raise it on that system and it won't work, so I gotta make sure it gets to a point where at least I'll be happy around 75 70 72. Between these two I gotta get out there. So I'm gonna set this up today and do a review tomorrow, see how well it works, and hopefully it will work by, you know, keeping everybody warm. So let's go ahead, and I just purchased this. It comes with remote and everything. So let's go ahead and set it up, and this is where you set up the heat, and you control it from here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, I'm not in my studio today because I'm doing some maintenance on here, so we're gonna open it up here, see what you get when you purchase them like this. Sorry about the filming, guys, but I'll be back in about a week to set up everything. But for right now, we're just gonna get everything out, get a couple of things. This is the most important thing that I need. This is the actual heater, and this must be the, oh, this is pretty cool. So I'm gonna open everything up, and this is pretty much they give you a suction cup in here. This is actually to read the temperature. I like this. This is extra, and it gives you a thermometer to read it, to read the actual heat in there. It's not bad. It's a little sensor in there. That's a sensor, and then this one's a suction cup, goes in the outside. And make sure the batteries, they give you the battery too. Look at that little battery in here. Right now it's 75. It's not 75 but 74 probably, yeah. So Celsius to Fahrenheit. So there you go, you could change it, power it on. I don't think the power does anything. That's probably it. All right, so we're gonna put this on the outside here, if you can see it. So let's get some water going. Some water. I want to wet this whole thing. Put it here. Put this one in the actual. Drive it in here. Put it in here. See how cold it is. Suction cups. And right now we're currently at 69, so we gotta raise the temperature. All right, we're gonna set this up now, and we're gonna put it in this side here, somewhere we could read it. All right, so we're gonna get the control. We got this little adhesive that we could paste here and here and control the temperature. We could do that. We're gonna set this up in here, so anytime I want to do that, I'll just put it here. Get rid of the paper controller. Make sure you take this off, and we're gonna put the heat. All right, right now if you can see, it's indicating right now in red right here, a little red dot. Plus you could set up, right now it's 68, but it's gonna get a little hotter right now. This thing's gonna crank up already. If you're out of the water, it's gonna give you an error. It has to be in the water to make changes. All right, so if you can see, it's hard to see right now from this angle, but I put 74 right now, so it's heating up already. It's at 68. This is a stronger heater. When 74 hits, it's gonna stop, of course, so it's gonna continue heating up this whole system in here. And of course, when you come in here, you can verify in here with this one. This is, and it has a thermometer. I didn't expect that. That was some extra plus stuff. I like this. And then this is an extra thing to control it. So I'm gonna put my little control here. We can see it. It's in there, and right now I set it up to 74 already, so we're good. Plus I'm going to come in here. I can have this to control the temperature. I can see it working now, and it's at 68 right now, but it's going to start heating up, of course. And it's working real quick, man. I'm very impressed with it. Like it. So far so good. We're gonna come back tomorrow and see how well it's heating up this whole thing. But I was trying to mess with it and it kept giving me, it said error, but it's because it was out of the water. It needs to be in the water to get this working. Very simple, very easy to use. We'll be back in the morning to see how it is and see how I heat up the whole system. So I'm gonna leave that one there along with this one, the other one, because this one has a temperature control, this one doesn't, but this one could control it where it goes to 68. This is not strong enough for this whole thing, so we're gonna go ahead and leave both of them on just for today, just so this one could catch up and do the extra work. And then when the sun comes out tomorrow, we'll turn this one off and disconnect it and discontinue and throw it away. Continue using this one. But so far, very impressed with the remote control. It comes with this remote control that I was expecting it, but this is a plus. I like this because if you don't have a thermometer reader, this is really handy. And of course I have it here, sticky suction cup here, really good. So we're gonna come back tomorrow and see how everything runs and let you guys know how it goes. So let's come back tomorrow. All right now we're at 72 in there too. It says the meter, you can't really read it from here, but it's working. After 24 hours I came in here. It's giving me at 72 here on the 71.6 on the side. So I have another one, which is a little sticker tab that we're gonna go around on the other side, and here it is. We're pretty much set on, hold on, here it goes. Here it is. We're at 70 right here. We're at 72 to 71. This is exactly where I want to be. Love to get a little higher than that. I will do that. These guys mostly sleep by the heater because it is cold in here. It could get a little colder, and there's my other heater out there. So it's working with the intangible with the other heater. They're working parallel together to help each other, help the heater out here and make sure that it's warming the water. Water surface looks clean. I'm gonna run new filters, new cleaning. I'm gonna clean that filter. We're gonna go back in here, but the water heater is kicking in. It's working very well. I like it. There's some shrimp food. It did release some shrimp food in the bottom leftover. Of course, these guys are full. Overall, like it. I like how it goes, and it's working very well. Give it a big thumbs up on this machine. The control's a plus. That's a plus. That is a plus. You have to go in the water and change it. Recommendation, make sure you have visibility on the actual thermometer facing you, maybe, because that's a very unique thing for you guys to do, and we keep an eye on it somewhere. Right now you can't see it because I have all these plants, but like it. And I'm gonna see if I can zoom in a little bit on it and see if I can move some of the plants. But I tried, but you can actually see it in there, and I'm able to see the stuff. So this thing, it's working with the thermometer. I like that to get, this is a plus. This is a plus. I like this. This is a more thorough read of this suction cup in here with the wire. But like it a lot. So if you guys have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.